everyone, welcome to our poster. My name is Nicole Martin. I'm a student at the University of New England where I work in the Reading Comprehension and Cognition Lab. And today I'm going to be presenting a poster about adapting to e-readers and how age plays a role in reading on digital devices. Let's get started. As the presence of technology increases, digital devices are being used more and more for reading and comprehending text. This is no surprise due to their many benefits, such as being lower in cost, weight, and even impact to the environment. Though these e-readers seem to be beneficial, research has found that they may be negatively impacting individuals' ability to comprehend information. For example, past studies in our own lab have found that when comparing reading on paper and Kindle readers either took longer to read or had lower comprehension to a given text, specifically with lower skilled readers. But although research on e-readers and their impact on comprehension is mainly focused on college-age individuals, adults of all ages enjoy using these devices, including older adults. Older adults, or adults who are 60 and over, encounter many unique disadvantages and barriers, though, specific to their age group when they're using these digital devices. They have challenges including needing more time and assistance to learn how to use the technology. They report higher feelings of inadequacy when using the device, and they even have more health problems impacting their use of e-readers, such as eyesight and arthritis. Regardless of challenges older adults face when using this technology, though, they report that they are willing to use the technology again, which isn't always seen in younger adults. Therefore, our study, we are really interested in understanding how older adults have adapted to reading on e-readers and what factors may be influencing their performance. So for our study, we had older and younger adults come to our lab where they read an expository passage on either an iPad, Kindle Paperwhite, or on paper. They answered multiple choice questions, took the MMCB to determine their reading comprehension skill levels, and finally answered demographic questions. Our results were super interesting. We found that when reading an expository text, the device tends to play a bigger role for older adults, but not younger adults for reading score and reading time. This is seen in Figure 1, where all of the younger adults are consistent regardless of the device using, whereas older adults performed the best on paper and had the lowest performance on the iPad. Yet we also found in the study that there are various cognitive and affective factors that differentiate the older and younger adults' use of digital devices. Figure 2 is comparing older and younger adults' level of reading skill, mind wandering, task effort, computer anxiety, and experience. When analyzing the data, we actually see that these factors predict older and younger adults' recall score differently. While reading skill and computer anxiety predict recall scores for both age groups, task effort was a more important predictor for older adults, and computer experience was a more important predictor for younger adults' recall score. So in conclusion, there are different factors impacting the success of older and younger adults' use of e-readers. But understanding these factors that are driving the success of these different age groups, we can utilize this knowledge to best optimize digital devices for everyone. Thank you so much for listening to our poster. I'm so glad you stopped by and gave us a listen. Our contact information is on the poster if you have any questions, so please feel free to reach out. And thank you again.